Welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing Wukong to life, one piece at a time. Can you guess what this is going to become? At first glance, these pieces might not look like much, just a bunch of plain white plastic. But every single piece has a purpose, and when they all come together, something completely different starts to appear. So let's get started. Before we can start painting, there's a lot of work to do. First, I need to remove all these supports. Some pieces come off easily, while others need a little more patience. I have to be extremely careful not to damage the tiny details, especially around the face, the hands, the armor, and the weapon. Every little detail matters. Piece by piece, the supports are coming off, and now I can finally see the details underneath. There are still some rough edges and tiny imperfections, so before the paint goes on, everything needs to be cleaned up. I carefully trim the excess material, smooth out the rough areas, and make sure every piece is ready for the next step. And now, the fun part begins. Putting Wukong together. One piece, then another, and slowly, the character starts to take shape. This is the moment when all those separate pieces finally start making sense. And honestly, this is already looking pretty impressive. But we're still far from finished. Now it's time to prepare the surface for paint. A clean surface makes a huge difference because the paint needs a good foundation. And once everything is ready, it's time to add some color. This is my favorite part. The plain white plastic is about to disappear. I start with the main colors, then slowly build up the darker areas and shadows. Every layer adds a little more depth, and the more details I add, the more Wukong starts to come alive. Now I can start working on the smaller details, the face, the armor, the weapon, and all those tiny areas that are so easy to miss. This is where I slow down and take my time, because sometimes the smallest details make the biggest difference. At this point, it's starting to look completely different. The white plastic is almost gone, and Wukong is finally starting to show his personality. But there's still one more thing missing: the final details. A little more shading, a few highlights, and some final touches here and there. And now, after all the cleaning, assembling, painting, and detailing, Wukong is finally finished. What started as a pile of plain white plastic pieces has turned into this. And honestly, I love how it turned out. From simple pieces to a fully painted Wukong. What do you think of the final result? Would you like to see more 3D models like this on the channel?